Okay, again a question seems like of geometry. Ramesh owns a circular grass field of radius 20 meter. He dug out a square field of the maximum possible area in the. I will draw it simultaneously. Let's see. Okay, there is a circle. Ramesh on a circular. Okay, a circular grass field of radius 20 meter. Right here, 20 meter is the side. He dug out a square field of the maximum possible area. Okay, so let's say there is this square. Inside this, there is a square, right? And because the radius was 20, so that means this diagonal. Okay, if I draw a diagonal here, right, this must be 40. 20 is the radius, diagonal must be the diameter. Okay, and if this is 40, right, and this is, square, so this will be 40 by root 2, that is 20 root 2. 20 root 2. The side of the square will become 20 root 2, right? So if the side of the square is 20 root 2, the diagonal will become 20 root 2 into root 2, that is 40. Okay, now his friend Suresh constructed a flower garden whose area is equal to the area of the circular grass field that is outside the swimming pool. Right? Outside the swimming pool. So if I say flower garden, okay, flower garden, the area, right, area if I am writing, it is pi r square, which is the radius was 20. So pi or 22 by 7 r square, which is 20 square, right, minus the area of the square, which is 20 root 2 into 20 root 2, 800, 20 into 20, 400 into 2, 800. Okay, so this becomes, okay, we can calculate this, or I can write it as 3.14 only, right, so that it will become 400 into 3.14. So 400, 314, double is 628, double is 1256, right, and it will be 400 into 3, so it is 1256 minus 800. So this area is going to be 456, right, flower garden area. Whereas this swimming pool, right, swimming pool, okay, swimming pool was area, if I say, it was 800, right, 800, because 20 root 2 square. Now he is talking about, see the question first. The question was, if A, B, C are the areas of swimming pool, so A is the area of swimming pool, B is the area of flower garden. So A and B we have already calculated, right? C is the remaining part. Okay, that we will do later on. First A and B, right? Can I see the area A should be greater than B? A should be greater than B. A cannot be less than B. Right? A is greater than B. A is greater than B. Okay, there are choices. So why I was looking at this? So that if something else get eliminated. Okay, now see the C part. Dinesh constructed a park in the shape of a circle whose dia is 25% more than the radius of Ramesh circular grass. Okay, so here we are talking about, here radius was 20. Now 25% more than the radius, right? So 25% of 20 is 5. So here dia is 25, right? He's saying constructing a park in the shape of circle whose dia is 25. So area of the C value, area of the park should be pi. Okay, if I write 3.14 again, and r square, now which is 25 by 2 square, 25 by 2 square, right, which becomes 625 by 4 into 3.14, let's say. Okay, and this will become 4 into so 4 into 15, 6.25, Okay, let's say 156.25. Now 156 into 3 will be definitely more than 456 but less than 100, right? This is going to be more than, right, B but less than A. So C will be more than B but less than A, right? I think this should be the correct answer, right? D option should be the correct answer. No need to multiply this because 156.25 into 3.14, I know even if you do 150 into 3, it is 450. So it is definitely going to be more than 456, right? But 800, you just think of that 160 into 5 is 800 and 156 is less than 160, 3.14 is less than 5, so product is definitely less than 800, right? So it is less than A but more than B, right? So A greater than C greater than B. Okay, yes, D option is the correct answer.